Dear student, in last classes we are discussing about the management. We are studying the chapter nature and significance of management, right? Nature and significance of management. Today, in last classes, what we have discussed? Importance of management, objectives of management, and other things. Today we are going to discuss about nature of management. What? Nature of management. See, management, in past classes we are studying management, where management required, where people work together or in a group. So, management is old as our civilization. Management is old as our civilization. Civilization grow, similarly management also grow. New techniques comes in management. Before that, one traditional concept was there. What is management? Management is the art of getting things done through others. What? Management is the art of गेटिंग थिंग डन थ्रू अदर्स. क्या है? मैनेजमेंट एक कला है. हमने पढ़ा था मैनेजमेंट इज आर्ट. मैनेजमेंट इज द आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग. वो एक कला है. आप कैसे अपना काम करवाते हैं, आप कैसे अपना काम करवाता है, ये आपको सीखना है मैनेजमेंट में. व्हाट यू हैव लर्न हियर? व्हाट यू लर्न? मैनेजमेंट इज द आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग्स डन थ्रू अदर. दिस इज ए आर्ट. इन दैट today we will discuss how it is art, and also we studied management is the, now it is stating as management is the process. Management is the process of getting things done through others. What was the process? You know that 5 processes are there: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling are there. Today we are going to discuss about nature of management. As I said, management is old as our civilization. When human develops, when they live together, मैनेजमेंट, ये अपनी भाषा में क्या होता है मैनेजमेंट? जब कहीं पर लोग साथ में रहते हैं, काम करते हैं, उनको मैनेजमेंट चाहिए आपको काम करवाने के लिए. सारे आदमी को एक काम में भेज नहीं सकते. किसी को क्या क्या काम देना चाहिए, कैसे काम देना चाहिए, कैसे अच्छा होगा. सी जस्ट थिंक, 100 people are working, not 100, 10 people are working. You have a businessman, you have a factory business. 10 people are working. Just think, you are a shop, you have one shop, you are the owner of that shop. 10 people are working under you. So what will happen? You cannot engage 10 people at one work. You have to engage them in a separate work. One person will bring some goods, one person will handle the customer, right? You should segregate the work to others, then you can run your business well. So nature of business management, what is saying? Nature, it is from beginning, from our civilization is coming. Management, in this nature of management we will study 3 things. What is the nature? Is management is art. These were 3 types. We will study one by one. Management is art. Management as an art. Management as a science, or management as a profession. Management as an art. Management as a science, or management as a profession. What? Profession. Clear? Today we will discuss management as an art. How management as a art, in this class we will discuss. Correct? So here I am reviewing these things. In upcoming classes we will go one by one. Management as an art, management as a science, or management as a profession. First discuss management as a art. But management as an art. How management is an art? Okay. Before discussing management as an art, let's discuss about art. What is art? Let's discuss about art. See. In art, what happened? Just see your books, your NCERT books. 3 points are there. Existence of theoretical knowledge. What? Existence of theoretical existence of theoretical knowledge. What? One by one we will discuss existence of theoretical knowledge. Second is personalized application. And third is based on practice and creativity. Based on practice and creativity. First, we will discuss what is the art, right? See, in a art, we need some theoretical knowledge. Just think about art. You can say it may be a dancing, singing, acting, like a art. Without some theoretical knowledge, you cannot perfect in a art. See, the literature of this art, music, dancing, singing, this is the widely recognized by others. Literature of the music, dancing and singing. Music, dancing, singing, acting, right? What happened here? Here, some theoretical knowledge are there on music, dancing. You cannot learn like music yourself. Some knowledges are there, some theory is there. You have to follow that theory, that literature. Then you can be an artist. You cannot be artist overnight, right? Likewise, here this is a comparison of, if this is a art, then how to compare with management? How music and dancing compare with management? Are comparing here management as an art. See, if it is like that, in your management also some theoretical knowledge are there, like many books are there for finance, marketing, right? Finance, marketing, sales, management. Likewise, as a art, in management also many theories are there. That also we have to go through these things to become a proper, to create a proper management. So clear got it? समझा आपने मैनेजमेंट क्या है? एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज. इसका मतलब यही है जो भी म्यूजिक, डांसिंग, एक्टिंग कुछ भी होता है उनके लिए एक बुक है, एक थ्योरी है, उनको हम सीखना चाहिए. अगर हम उनको नहीं पढ़ेंगे, नहीं जानेंगे, तो हम एक रात से कैसे बन सकते हैं? जैसे ही मैनेजमेंट है, मैनेजमेंट वही भी कहता है, मैनेजमेंट में भी सारे के सारे थ्योरी है। जैसे कि बोला सिविलाइजेशन जैसे ग्रो किया, मैनेजमेंट वैसे ग्रो किया। बहुत सारे ऑथर है उन्होंने मैनेजमेंट के बारे में रिसर्च किया हुआ है, कैसे बेटर मैनेजमेंट हो सकता है, हाउ यू कैन प्रोवाइड बेटर मैनेजमेंट। सो दैट इज ऑल्सो research are there for finance, marketing, sales. Finance, marketing, sales, everything are there. Like a art, but whatever required for a art, that also required for a good management. This point here, how we are linking with this management as a art. First we are discussing about art, and there we are including comparing with how management is a art. Next is personal application. This point says, what is personal application? You know, like music, dancing and singing, acting. If two singers are there, two dancers are there, they always differ in showing their art or performance. Yes or no? अगर दोनों डांसर है, दोनों सिंगर है, सेम ही सॉन्ग को वो दूसरे ढंग से भी प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। दिस पॉइंट सेज द सेम थिंग, पर्सनलाइज्ड एप्लीकेशन, राइट? इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. Same song is there, but they are performing in a different way. Likewise, in a management, you got about first art, then comes to management. What happens in management? In management, different persons. How you can manage? You can manage better way also. You can manage on better way. That differs from people to peoples. That differs from peoples to peoples. Who provides good management, who has good skill to provide advantage, he became a good manager, right? So these things say mainly that these skills differs very person to person. ये लोगों से लोगों के अलग अलग होता रहता है। तो कैसे आपका मैनेजमेंट में कैसा है, आपका जैसा है मेरा ऐसे होगा, ऐसा तो कुछ ये नहीं है ना कि आप ऐसा होगा मेरा ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है। पर्सन टू पर्सन ये वेरी करता है, किसी का अच्छा हो सकता है, किसी का थोड़ा कम अच्छा हो सकता है, किसी का बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है, हो सकता है ना। तो ये दिस पॉइंट सेज द सेम थिंग, पर्सनलाइज्ड एप्लीकेशन, इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. Clear this point? Like vary from person to person. Third point is based on practice and creativity. Based on practice and creativity. First, what are we discussing? Art. What is art? Then you are linking with management. How it is a art? Here, this one says based on practice and creativity. Like a singer practice to sing a song. See, in music we know 7 notes are there, basic notes are there, but different music director, this is the best time note. अलग अलग म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स हैं, वो गाने हर गाने सेम होता है क्या? डिफरेंट होता है कि नहीं होता है? और सब लोग चाहते हैं, all the music director wants to how to create new things, to add some creativity in that music, so that will be attractive to listeners and public. So practice and creativity makes difference. Practice and creativity. Like I said, एक कोरियोग्राफर होता है, एक म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर होता है, उनका जो म्यूजिक कंपोज होता है वो उनके स्किल ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, वो कितना प्रैक्टिस है। ए.आर. रहमान का किसी दूसरे से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, किसी दूसरे को तीसरे से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि उनका प्रैक्टिस, उनका क्रिएटिविटी, ये ह्यूमन नेचर है। व्हाट इज माय क्रिएटिविटी? दैट इज माय नेचर, राइट? क्रिएटिविटी यू कैन लर्न, क्रिएटिविटी इज द नेचर, so that is my creativity. How I can create new things, how I can create new things, that differs from people to people. So that says practice and creativity makes differs. Practice and creativity. Like this is art. Same thing happens also in here. Management. How much experience you have? How much experience your management? आपने कैसे मैनेजमेंट देखा है, आपने कैसे इसको अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं, आपका प्रैक्टिस, आपका क्रिएटिविटी क्या है, व्हाट इज योर न्यू क्रिएटिविटी टू ऑर्गेनाइज द पीपल, टू मोटिवेट द पीपल. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ना. व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट लाइन? मैनेजमेंट इज एन आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग डन थ्रू अदर्स. सो यू कैन सी in a same company, people who are not working, one new manager came, one new management came, new management department, then people started work now. How it happens? Creativity, something new. We have to add something new that people should, workers should motivate. They should motivate for works. This is management based on practice and creativity. Like a art, same thing happens also in a management. So here in today class, what I studied, how management is a art. You know, go through your NCERT books. I cannot, मैं आपको नोट अभी नहीं लिखा सकता हूँ. जो भी बुक्स में वो अच्छे से आपका है, आप नोट करिए. ठीक है, ऐसे ही आप समझेंगे आर्ट क्या है, आर्ट के साथ मैनेजमेंट का कंपेयर क्या है, ऐसे हम समझेंगे. टुडे आई एम कंक्लूडिंग विद दिस. नेक्स्ट क्लास we'll study, we'll discuss about how management is a science. Okay, I am concluding here. Thank you.